Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I am about to take these Bantu knots out, and I just want to do a quick recording. As you can see, I'm in the Atlantic Ocean, or I'm in the ocean. This is the Atlantic Ocean. I'm on a cruise, but I wanted to take this out for you. So we're just going to start from the back, and you just take your knot down. It's just a simple process. It's the same way of putting it in. And sometimes I just twirl my fingers like this and pull it down. Let them down. It's a simple process. You separate them the same way you put it in, separate it and take it down. And you can just twirl the fingers, count the position that you put the locks, or excuse me, not the locks. Put it, twist it and take it down. So we're just taking it down. Leave it like that, just leave it listening like that for a little while. But I want to take mine down fully on. Take my twist out of here. So up to you. You can actually wear it like that for a few days or a day or two. And take it down again. I'm going to unravel it. That's what I mean. Unravel the twist. But I'm choosing to unravel the twist fully today. Been about, I think I've had these in here now. I guess this makes the, actually, I guess I would say 7 days. 7 or 8 days. Let me go back and calculate it. Yeah, 8 days. They're all out. Just make sure they're all unraveled. And here's probably my hairstyle. And I can shape it or style it however I want, but the definition is in there. Semi-tight. But it gives me some definition I want when I wear my hair today. But that's it. This is the takedown of the Bantu Knot Set. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye.